You have a sensor that is left-handed, but we need a right-hand sensor. So rather than going and getting a new sensor, we're changing it by 90 degrees on the throttle body, and then using a circuit board that will invert the voltage out of the sensor to the right voltage.
Right.
So at the moment when the throttle's closed, it's sending 5 volts, but the ECU thinks 5 volts means the throttle's fully open. So by using a circuit board, we can just say that whenever 5 volt comes out the throttle body sensor, gets converted to 0, and whenever 0 is coming out of the sensor, it gets converted to 5.
Right, and Dad's designed that and that circuit board and you've built it?
Yeah, so it will just flip the voltage over, it will just invert it.
Brilliant. So that's the bracket you've made for it?
Yeah, to make it offset, because it was supposed to go to those 2 bolts.
Ah, I see, I see.
So I'm just putting the wires on this circuit board. The magic circuit board.
The magic circuit board.
Wires to one end, heat shrink it all up as a module, put connectors on the end, and it can go in the car as a module.
Right. Good. Lid on the thing is still on. So why have you even plugged that?
So it doesn't start and fire as fast.
And that's moving fluids around, is it?
Just pressurising the fuel line. You're really going to film this crank?
Yeah, the first crank, yeah.
It's not going to start?
No.
Does it go then? Really? Did you blow the wiring up?